So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, we'd love to watch out for it. So if you're also yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, you click on the link on the Telegram and follow us. There we will put out one or two updates that would be useful for you guys. Yeah. So let's take a look at GBPJPY. With what I'm saying, let's see this food trend. We clearly can see that this food trend is clearly a downward movement, right? It is a bearish move. Then there's kind of like a little bit of a recovery to the upside. And now GBPJPY now wants to continue the movement to the downside. So basically, with what our bias is still to the downside on this GBPJPY. So basically, with what I'm seeing right now, double top is literally forming at this level. So there's no doubt that this is kind of like a key level, right? When markets came here, we had a double top formation around this level before it eventually dropped. Now it has now come to this level. We had a rejection that dropped to the downside. Guess what? Again, it came to this same level. Of course, we should expect another movement to the downside. So my first target, if I'm to see this, I'll see it come to this level of 181. Currently, we are trading at 182. So let's see if we can drop to the level of 181,700. Then we can now see probably break below it. If you can now break below this support level, all you just have to do is wait for a pullback to test your support level and continue the movement to the downside, or you are very much likely to see that rejection whereby it will come back to this our resistance level. I mean, when you take a look at this, it looks like market is ranging within this level, right? There's kind of like a ranging movement within this level. So basically, we would want to see it drop to this support level. Then we would now have to watch out for what markets will do here. Would it break below this support level, or will it start coming to this resistance level? So whatever markets do is what you should do. Do not go and say, okay, once it gets to this support level, you start buying, hoping to come to this resistance. No, you don't do that, because if you go ahead and buy at this support level and market breaks below it, you are very much likely to get stopped out. So just watch out for it. If you get a buy movement here, a buy setup, then you can go for it. If not, market is likely to break below this support level, come back to test it, and continue with the bearish move on GBP JPY. So make sure you do follow us on Telegram. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.